Let's take a look at some examples involving laws of indices. In example 1, simplify 5 to the power of 7 times 5 to the power of 4. Take note that the bases are the same, hence, using the first law, simply add the powers, 5 to the power of 7 plus 4, and you will get 5 to the power of 11. The first law applies to multiple terms as well. Take this next example. In example 2, 3 to the power of 4 multiply 3 to the power of 5 multiply 3 to the power of 6. Note that the bases are also the same, just with 3 terms. Using the first law, simply add all the powers, where you get 3 to the power of 4 plus 5 plus 6, and you will get 3 to the power of 15 as the answer. Next, in example 3, 7 to the power of 11 divides 7 to the power of 5. So the bases are the same, but the operation this time is division. Hence, we employed the second law. 7 to the power of 11 minus power 5, and you will get 7 to the power of 6 as the answer. What about a question like example 4? In a question like this, it is important to make use of your mathematics fundamentals to simplify the approach. Firstly, the expression can be written as this. Next, we simplify the expression by cancelling the common factors out. To do so properly, we need to first make use of the second law to evaluate x and y terms. Here, x to the power of 9 over x to the power of 7 is equals to x to the power of 9 minus 7, which is equals to x to the power of 2. Similarly, y to the power of 10 over y to the power of 4 is equals to y to the power of 10 minus 4, which is equals to y to the power of 6. Back to the expression, we can first remove the negative signs. When 36 is divided by 9, we get 4. And x terms can now be evaluated by making use of our previous findings, x squared. Same goes for y terms. And your answers will be this. Moving on, let's see how the other laws work. In example 5, using the third law, we will first remove the brackets by simplifying the individual terms, followed by combining the relevant terms using the first law. And since the terms are the same, and they cancel out each other, the answer turns out to be 0. In example 6, using the fourth law, the power of 4 outside the bracket is an indication that both 2 and x to the power of 3 are raised to the power of 4 individually. Hence, and the answer would be 16x to the power of 12. Next, example 7 is where we make use of the fifth law to open up the brackets and employ the first and second law to simplify the expression. And the answer is x to the power of 7, y to the power of 5 over 3. With these few examples, you should have an idea of how to tackle a wide range of questions. There will be more interesting questions coming along. Want to learn more? I'll see you in the next video.